Assalamu alaikum students. We have already learnt about the infections. Infection are the diseases caused by the microorganism. Microorganism may infect animal, plant or the human beings. So in this video our objective is to know about the infection caused by the virus. We will study in this video virus, its structure, and either that is cellular or non-cellular, why that is not placed in the five kingdom system, and what are the symptoms of this infection and how can we save them our life from this virus. Let's know the structure first. Its structure is comprises of head which contain the DNA, and the DNA is enclosed in capsule and have the neck, collar, sheath, and for the attachment to the host. Host may be plant, animal or the human being. To attach with the host, it has the base plate and the tail fibers. So, according to the observation, the DNA is not enclosed in a proper nuclear membrane, and there are no cytoplasmic organelles appeared over here. That is the microscopic diagram of virus. So there is no cellular organelles are there, just like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, lysosome, etc. It means the cytoplasmic organelles are not found. The virus do not have complete structure of a single cell. So that's why that is not considered as a cell. Let's discuss the coronavirus first. That is known as COVID-19 in short. Students, viruses are actually the parasite. Parasite mean organisms we depend on other organisms for the survival of their life. They may live on plants, animal or human beings. The viruses live in the body of plant, animal or human beings, and the new variety of virus was introduced which is known as COVID-19 or a novel coronavirus. That is a new coronavirus that has not been previously identified, but public health officials and the partners are working hard to identify the source of the 2019 novel coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses, some causing illness in people and other that circulate among animals, including camel, cat, bats. This outbreak started in the month of 2019 as an unknown cluster of respiratory illness first reported from the Wuhan city of China. So these are in crown shape, that's why they are named as coronavirus. Let's talk further from the textbook. Viruses have no nuclear bonded structure and the cytoplasmic organelles are not there, so that is not having the cell organelles completely. That's why that is not considered as a cell or not considered as unicellular organism. Virus is non-cellular obligate parasite Endo mean inside, parasite mean live on other for the survival of life. So virus is non-cellular obligate endoparasite. It mean live on other host cell. Host cell may be plant, animal, or the human. It does not have the cellular organization as we have discussed, but do have the nuclear material either DNA or RNA. DNA stands for deoxyribose nucleic acid and RNA ribose nucleic acid. It has protein coat called the capsid, which we have seen in the diagram, that enclose the nucleic acid. It reproduces only inside the host. It means when the virus is in the body of any plant, animal, or human, then the virus will reproduce. If that is outside the host, it will not produce. Due to its non-cellular nature, it cannot be placed in any of the five kingdoms. It causes number of diseases in plants just like the tobacco mosaic caused by tobacco mosaic virus, and in animal it causes diseases just like the cold, flu, dengue, and the mosquito is carrier of dengue virus, polio, hepatitis, and the AIDS. Pyron and viroids are also non-cellular particles, so cannot be placed in five kingdom system. Symptoms of infection of virus are fever and tiredness. Means the patient will feel the fever and tiredness, and patient will be suffer in continuous coughing, and there will be the loss of taste or smell, and the patient will feel difficulty in breathing. You can save from viral infection and other infections by taking care precautions like wash your hand frequently, avoid hand shaking with others, and avoid crowded places, keep distance if you are there, avoid touching eye, nose, and mouth. Instead of handkerchief, use tissue paper, one time use tissues, and practice respiratory hygiene. Droplets spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses, and put on mask if you have the respiratory symptom, and sanitize your hand. In this way, you will be safe from the various infectious diseases.